Did you know that adding event listeners to every element can slow down your web page? This is especially true for dynamic content where elements are added or removed frequently. Today we'll learn how event delegation can make your code more efficient and maintainable. Here's the common way developers add event listeners to multiple buttons. This adds a separate listener to each button, which can become slow with many elements. Event delegation lets us handle events through a single parent element. We listen for clicks on the document, then check if the clicked element matches our selector. This works even for elements added later, without needing to add new listeners. Imagine a shopping cart with hundreds of product buttons. Delegation keeps things fast. Here's what happens when we click a button using the delegation approach. Event delegation reduces memory usage by handling events through a single listener. It makes your code cleaner and easier to update as your application grows. Always use event delegation for dynamic content to avoid memory leaks. Don't forget to check the event target matches your selector to avoid unwanted events. Event delegation lets you handle events efficiently by listening to a parent element. Try implementing event delegation in your next project to see the performance difference. If this video helped you learn something new, hit the like button so more developers can see it. Subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. And comment below, did you already know about this?